This is the situation at 9 a.m. on the 19th of September at Chickamauga Creek. What's happening now is both sides are starting to issue orders. There's orders going out from Bragg's HQ and Rosicone's HQ to the various units. The Confederates have got orders, managed to get an order to First Corps, which is waiting to activate on that, but Hood's got a very good rating at 4. So even though he failed his first die roll, I expect him to succeed fairly quickly. We've got Buckner's Corps, they've got orders coming in. They've got another term, well, they'll be delivered this term. Buckner's got a rating of 2, so it's harder for him to actually act on these orders. Got another set of orders going out to the Reserve Corps. Actually, it should be marked slightly differently. That just a second. Okay, there's an order on its way to the Reserve Corps which hasn't been dispatched yet. In terms of the Union, orders have gone out to the 2nd Cavalry here. We've also got the 20th Corps, which is coming in onto the flank of the Union Army here. They've really only got the orders to advance to Brockfield and then halt. There's orders going out to the 2nd, is it the 2nd Division? No, it's the 1st Division of the 21st Corps, just to tell them to go into an attack order. Pretty much at the moment they are just within the corps radius of the 14th Corps, getting all my corps mixed up. There are no real sort of reinforcements arriving. Everybody's pretty much getting ready to start a big shooting match. I think the advantage still goes with the Confederacy. If they can get all these 3 corps in this area and they can actually launch them onto the Union flank before Union reinforcements, it can be effective. It should put the Union Army in a lot of trouble. The only other Union unit at the moment is this Reserve Corps unit, which has got orders to evacuate the board in the next hour to the north, which is that edge over there, the far edge on the camera screen. So it's still, people are probably thinking, God, when's this battle ever going to get going? And it's just the case with the orders system, you just can't go trundling off. You can use initiative to a certain degree, but usually to the extent if somebody attacks you and knocks you out of a position, you can use an initiative to actually take it back again. You can't just go ploughing off. Hood couldn't just say, right, that's it, we're launching an entire corps attack on my own, and then tell the other corps commanders to join in, because they won't do. So it creates a very interesting sort of strategic and tactical delay to everything. It makes it difficult to get your units to do what you want to do.